He said, we know that Allah is everywhere. When we will be in the hereafter, will we meet God in His totality, or will meet a part of God?
There is no question of God having any part. The problem is that you cannot visualize God because laysa kamithlihi shay'un. One who has created out of nothing. No human being, no person who has been created can ever create out of nothing. So that is why it's very difficult to understand. God and Rasulullah ﷺ has forbidden this attempt, or you will go mad and you will not be able to understand. So have faith and have concentration on the signs of Allah. The Holy Quran is so full of signs of Allah, it will take a stupid man to disbelieve in Allah with reference to those signs. The Holy Quran speaks of the past, unknown past, how man was created, how before man something else was created, and so many things which I have mentioned in my book Revelation, which if you concentrate, you will be amazed that after the Holy Quran it's impossible not to believe in God, but also impossible to understand Him. So better have the Quran as the evidence of God's existence, and do not bother your mind over much.